Hello my lovely friends, it's Eva here from Permaculture Haven in Pacific Haven in Queensland, Australia. So we have nearly spring, only 2 days left of August, and the weather forecast says we won't have any more cold, frosty mornings. Yes! Which means I can start planting my beautiful babies, get them out of the winter house and then plant them out. I will take you there and show you what I've got this season for planting. All new additions I don't have yet, or nearly all of them are new. And I will show you what I've got, and let's get there and hope you like it. If you do, don't forget, like and subscribe, and let me know all your questions and comments, if you have any, in the comment section below. Your comments are always highly appreciated. So now let's get into it. First to plant will be this Panama Berry, which I got gifted. Beautiful tree, Panama Berry, or some people call it strawberry tree. And even in a pot, it's already got beautiful flowers, and the fruits are starting to form, which is amazing. This is a beautiful tree, and I will plant it in the mandala garden in the middle. So now let's get in here. I've got a new Kumquat, the Maiwa, which is sweet inside and sweet outside. Delicious fruit, already getting new growth. So this one will go into the soil as well. I've got some precious red Dhaka banana, which I also got gifted, which is now safe to be planted out. I had them all in winter here in the little hothouse, protected from the wind and the cold. So then, but they will wait. I've got 2 different varieties of persimmons I grew from a seed, the vanilla persimmon and the sugar plum over there. You can see the different leaves. This one's got like a pointed leaves, this one more round. I will plant few of them, and the remaining ones will be available for sale. And here I've got 3 blueberries which I grew from cutting. This will go out too, additional to the blueberries I already got. And look at the beauties. These little babies already have flowers. So this is the Thai white guava I grew from seeds as well. I will plant a few, and maybe a couple will be available for sale as well. So now going here, not much space here. I've got 2 tea trees. This is the 2 different varieties. 2 of the white flowering one, and over there 2 of the pink flowering ones, and those will be also planted within the next few days, I hope. We have new moon now, so this is perfect time for planting and seeding. I've got some boysenberries, which I already have plenty of them, but these ones will be for sale. I have some 3 spinaches, different colors. This is the feijoa. The pineapple guava will also go out into the food forest. This is the white India guava. I only have 1 of these, and this one will go into the food forest too. This is a little star fruit which is getting new growth. Also got gifted and will be planted out. So this is Neem Tree, which really desperately needs water. I grew these ones from cutting. I've got 2 of them. And the third one is already happily growing near the chooks. So Neem Tree is very good for harvesting the leaves and putting them on top of the garden bed, the veggie bed, to deter any bed bugs. So really helping. I've got some pomegranate little ones growing from the seed. I already have plenty of them, but I can't help myself. Always when I have seeds, I have to plant them. Here are some carob trees, which don't look very happy. I think they need bigger pot. I really want to plant them out when I know which one is boy and girl. Down here I've got 2 black pepper plants, which will also be planted. And some of the yellow cherry guavas or lemon guavas, which are available for sale. So over here I've got the garlic vine, which makes beautiful pink flowers. It's covered with flowers, and which are also edible and very good. A garlic substitute if you run out of garlic. This is a horseradish. What else do we have here? Oh yeah, we have the garlic vine. I've got this one too, but these ones are available for sale. Some asparagus, and I also have some seeds for the Silent Hill, gooseberry, low cut, and yeah, there is a low cut which doesn't show yet. So going down here, I've got some date palms which I grew from seeds, and the feijoa, the pineapple guava here, the, how do you call it, black sapote, the chocolate pudding tree, beautiful grove. Here some more cotton trees, different colors, and the Davidson plum, which grows beautifully. This one goes out too. Here's some different variety of tree spinach. The big leaves you can see here, these are all my beautiful Tamarillos I grew from seed. All have nice and beautiful new growth, and they really grow good. So I will plant them out too. I hope to fit them all somewhere because I love Tamarillos. So these 2 ones, one here, one there, are the cherry guavas, the red ones. Tamarillo, some beautiful Brazilian cherry. Here we have the perennial capsicums, which also need to go to the ground. So going backwards, I've got some Silent Hill gooseberries, trying to grow them now from cuttings, and it looks promising. So I will have a couple maybe available, the other ones going all into the food forest. I also have a custard apple here, which is a new addition too, and I have the acerola cherry, 2 of them, which grow really nice, also new. And I have the grumichama, the yellow one and the red one. Which one is which? Grumichama, this is, yeah, the red one, the black one, And this is the yellow one. These ones are going to the food forest too. I have some other fruit trees here, or cuttings, which I try to grow. So we will see later what's happening. At the moment they are sitting there and trying to survive. Getting roots, let's hope. So yeah, and here I've got some cucumber seedlings, and here what do we have? New Guinea bean, hopefully coming soon, and tromboncino, and scarlet bean, and the bottle gourd. So yeah, lots of stuff happening, lots of gardening work, lots of fun, excitement. So if you want to see the future videos, where they go, what's happening with them, how they grow, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And while we are here, I also show you my mesh house. So I still have my tomatoes growing here, and they don't look bad. Hopefully they take off now in spring. More tomatoes here. They need to be desperately planted because the roots are coming out already. So this will happen today probably. And I have some pepino which I grow from cuttings. I already have pepino, so these ones probably will go for sale. And some self-pollinating dragon fruit, the Peruvian parsnip, some rosella happening there, another 2 Brazilian cherry I got gifted, some passion fruit, maybe I will find place for them, and also here some cassava growing, already getting new growth. And some yakun and some other stuff. I always grow something. I really love to propagate plants and grow them from seeds, from cuttings, whatever. There is the Anoda tree spinach, which is taking off slowly. The bush basil here. So yeah, lots of stuff happening. More lemon cherry guavas, some of them going into the food forest. I've got few of them already growing. These ones I grew from a seed. They look beautiful and fruit very quickly, grow really happily. So if you need some, I will have some for sale as well. And some elderberry trees taking off. Flower is coming here. So yeah, these ones are available for sale too. So I hope you liked the little video, my winter house plants video. I will make like a spring forest tour very soon. Lots and lots is happening here again. So yeah, hope to see you next time. Happy gardening, and yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.